Namaskar. I am Dr. Naveen Bhamri, Director and Head of Cardiology, Max Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi, India. Today I am going to discuss about the coronavirus disease. Coronavirus is basically a medium-sized RNA virus which derives its outer lipid layer from its host, and this disease was first diagnosed in the Wuhan city of China in the year 2019. That is why it is called coronavirus disease or COVID 2019 or COVID-19. Symptomatology or the clinical features of the disease: 80% of the patient is having milder symptoms like other upper respiratory tract infection or flu-like symptoms in the form of breathlessness, dry cough, headache, low grade to high grade fever. In 15 to 20% of the patient, they are having severe breathlessness, acute respiratory distress syndrome, or signs of multi-organ failure in the form of oliguria or acute renal shutdown. And cardiac manifestations of myocarditis or pericarditis is also seen in some group of patients, but 5 to 10% of the patients only require hospitalization or intensive care. How to prevent it? Now the question is, the students who are outside India, residing in the hostel or the hotel, who has gone outside or abroad for the studies. So my suggestion to them is, please don't panic. It is the time of action, not a panic reaction. Stay wherever you are, isolate yourself, follow the hand hygiene and the respiratory, or I can say the cough hygiene methods. Don't allow other persons in your room. Wash your hands regularly. Take all the precautions while washing your hands, or follow all the 6 steps. Don't spare even a small area like nails, etc. in washing your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap for 20 seconds. Count 1001 to 1020 while washing your hands. If your hands are not dirty, you can use alcohol-based sanitizers. Boost your immunity by having a lot of vitamin C and zinc and other healthy fruits and vegetables. Stay inside as much as possible, avoid social gathering, and don't panic. If you ask me what is the prophylaxis, there are no actual certain guidelines available for the prophylaxis in India. According to the ICMR guidelines, for the medical professionals who are treating COVID-19 patients or who are coming in contact with the COVID-19 patients, we are using here hydroxychloroquine 400 milligram twice a day, first day, followed by 400 milligram once a week for 7 weeks. But that is only for the medical profession who are dealing with the COVID-19 patients. What is isolation and quarantine? Isolation is basically to separate yourself from the asymptomatic patients. The patient who is having a communicable disease, he has to be separated or isolated from the asymptomatic patients or the asymptomatic population. Quarantine, basically, if you are in contact with the symptomatic or the COVID-19 positive patients, you have to keep yourself away from the patients who are ill and you are still asymptomatic. My advice to the student is, don't panic to come back to India, because India is in the lockdown state, and whenever you travel through any airlines, you are much more in the state of getting the infection through asymptomatic carriers, through fomites. So stay wherever you are. Don't panic. Once the situation is settled down, come back. और मेरी आप लोगों से निवेदन है कि पैनिक ना करें. Stay back, stay calm. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुर्भगः भवेत्. जय हिंद.